24 hours after our Pepe video, the project adds over 100% in price action. We have just seen that the market cap of Pepe token has increased $100 million in less than 24 hours. What is going on with this project? Does it have legs to continue to move? We're also going to cover off the Bitcoin chart, because the Bitcoin chart is showing me some worrying signs. We need to understand, can Pepe continue to move even if Bitcoin wants to pull back? Guys, smash some likes. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to buy any tokens, including Pepe, check out the links in the description to BITGET. BITGET have Pepe token listed. Now, if we take a look here at the Pepe to wrapped Ethereum price, we were monitoring this yesterday. This price action we were looking at yesterday, and we were saying, hang on a second, it's consolidating. It's forming a triangle pattern here. This is a big consolidation after the previous rocket up in price. Could it break? And as you can see, since yesterday, if you take the measured move here from when we were making our video, you are up over 100% here on the Pepe token. Now, if you haven't watched my video from yesterday, you need to watch that. In that video, I specifically break down whether this project can 1000x. There are a lot of people shouting, can this 1000x? Can it 100x? Can it 200x? In that video, I break down what is realistic. So I'm going to link it up for you guys. You have to go and watch that, because I explain comparing it to Dogecoin, comparing it to Shiba, comparing it to other projects, if it's realistic. Because look, a lot of, whether we like it or not, I know on this channel we do a lot of complex stuff, and we'll get onto some of that as well. But on this channel, there'll be a lot of people coming into Pepe token right now who've never heard about crypto. And it's important that we're able to educate them and teach them about crypto. And the first thing you need to learn about crypto, if you're new and you just land on this video, these notes do not matter. Please, guys, and I know if you're experienced, you're going to be impatient here, but these zeros do not matter. You need to look at the market cap. The market cap is now 255 million. It was 140 yesterday. Okay, so it's just pretty much done, just shy of a double up here in market cap over 24 hours. Okay, so what you now need to understand is that Dogecoin currently is sitting roughly at 11 billion, right? There or thereabouts at 11 billion in market cap. So if you wanted to get to there, that's another 44x you could achieve. Yesterday, to get to Dogecoin's market cap would have been at 80x. Now it's about a 44x to get to Dogecoin's current bear market cap. So the important thing we have to understand here, with these coins, huge risk, huge return. Only invest what you're willing to lose, right? Do not think this is representative of all of crypto. No, this is a social currency. Dogecoin is a social currency, as is Shiba. There's nothing wrong with having a social currency. It's important. If you can get people together behind an important mission, right? Whether that's, just them feeling good, that's still a mission that they're subscribing to. That adds value. So anybody saying, oh no, this is just, no, there's value in social. Look how many good layer one blockchains we had, where we look at the technology, we look at the stack, and we say that is amazing, and all the geeks know that the code is beautiful. It doesn't matter. If you cannot get a community behind that project will never come to fruition. It's like having the best iPhone in the world, but nobody knows about the technology. Nobody's going to use it, right? It's irrelevant how good the technology is. You need adoption and you need technology. And what these meme coins manage to do, and we put them in the category meme coins, I personally like to call them momentum coins or social coins, is they do get that social element. They get people buying into it. Very careful. And the other question I had a lot is, can this move even if Bitcoin wants to move to the downside? Because you can see here, Bitcoin is starting to form a little bit of signs of worry, right? It's starting to curl over. We've had 3-4 days here now where it's coming back to test key support. And this is support has to hold. 29,000, we're testing it from the top side. We're coming down to 29,000 on Bitcoin. This needs to hold. We broke through it, retest, now go and get above 31. It's very simple on Bitcoin. Go and get above 31. If you cannot, you're showing too much weakness. I don't want any of this, I don't want any of this, because that's going to show weakness. I don't want that. Then we're going to break down. Then I'm looking back down at 27.7. Then I'm looking at 26,000 on Bitcoin, and ultimately 25. I've shared that with you on the weekly chart. Ultimately, this move could pull back to 25 on Bitcoin. Okay. Now, the interesting thing from a meme coin perspective, from a Pepe perspective, is meme coins can continue to move even if Bitcoin's moving down. It doesn't matter. It doesn't follow the traditional path. We've got the FOMC meeting next week on Wednesday. We're going to find out if we're going to get a rate hike. Right, we're going to find out, are we going to get 25%? Now, the majority of the market, 83% of the market have priced in, we will get that 84%, we will get that 25 base point rate hike. But again, that's not likely to move the types of meme coins. Meme coins will move on their own agenda. Very, very important. So Bitcoin can pull back, have some bad days. Those kind of meme coins can continue to move. I can't say the same for normal altcoins. Normal altcoins will fall in solidarity with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to fall back to 25K, altcoins will move with it. But these certain meme coins, they can do whatever they want on their own agenda. Very important that we look at these Fibonacci extensions as well. It did exactly what we said. It came down, it bounced off the golden pocket, 0.618 to 0.65, and we said we got to push through the next level. It did that. It pushed past the 0.786 level. Now it wants to come and retest, right? It's exactly following my arrow. If you guys have been watching my videos, we drew this arrow last week, and it's been following the exact same thing, right? It's coming down, but it's got to do the next phase. If it doesn't do the next phase and it breaks down in here, no good for us. Then we're getting some serious pullback action. Got to come back. It can touch 28.6 if it wants, but very quickly push up with volume, get above 31. And why do I keep shouting that we need to get above 31? It's because of this. On the EMA ribbon, we bound from the EMA ribbon, but we got to go above and create a higher high. A higher high keeps the upward trend. If you guys are new, if you're just jumping in because of the Pepe stuff that's going on, ijaz.uk/TA. Learn the basics of TA because it's going to help you profit even if you're playing around with coins such as Pepe. Learn the basics, understand. Because for example, if we're now on this Pepe chart here and I jump to the 4 hourly, what you want to look at is, do you really want to be chasing green candles? In fact, let's jump to the hourly. Do you really want to be chasing that on the candle? No. No. Even if you want to enter in, you want to play with a little bit of lunch money, wait for pullbacks, buy from positions of strength, let it come back. Right now it's having its momentum wave. Let the wave calm down and then you look for your entries, right? You don't want to be jumping in right now because look at that. Look how this climbed up quickly. Boom, big red candlestick. You're going to get wrecked. But even then, I'd be looking closer to the EMA ribbon. Try buying in the EMA ribbon. If you take this up to the 4 hourly as well, even better. You really want this to come back down, retrace into its EMA ribbon. And these are the levels where you want to learn how to buy. Not just Pepe, any of your projects. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, if you want to buy some Phantom, if you want to buy some Algorand, if you want to buy some Ethereum, always buy from positions of strength, wait for pullback. Do not chase green candles. We have a thing on this channel where we say do not have green candle disease. Do not chase those green candles. So there you have it, guys. Pepe continuing to move, continuing to shock markets. And a lot of people there will tell you, oh no, why is he supporting Pepe? This is irresponsible. No, you've got to learn. If you want to be in crypto, you're grown-ups. If you want to be in crypto, you've got to learn the hard way. And if you're going to invest in social coins, if you're going to invest in meme coins, that's absolutely fine. Do so. Even some of the best investors I know now started off buying SafeMoon, started off buying Dogecoin. But guess what? It taught them about crypto. They got hurt a few times. They got burnt a few times. And then they learned, okay, this is what a cold wallet is. This is what MetaMask is. This is how I go into Uniswap. This is how I set up my exchange. Oh, look, why not buy some Bitcoin? Why not buy some Ethereum? Why not build a proper portfolio? So all those people looking down on people buying meme coins, that's the wrong way to think about it. There is a new crypto investor and trader born every single day. And it's important that we embrace that. We try to educate people on how to do it properly, have fun with these meme coins, but understand that meme coins aren't the entirety of crypto. So if you are watching this just from a Pepe perspective, go watch some of my other videos, shout in our Discord or Telegram or Twitter if you have any questions. All the links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.